Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of Heavy Rain. A lot of people have told me that I am going to enjoy this because it's an intense game with a lot of decision making. So hopefully you guys will like it too. If you do enjoy it, please like and subscribe, leave some love, leave some support, and I'll be making another one. This is peaceful. Well, guys, I suppose he's waking up. I don't know who gets out of bed like this. Oh, we can walk about. Let's go scare all the neighbors. Hi, all. Oh, can't even go out the door. Hey, everybody. We'll just pose right here. Ah, this is the view. Ah, forget. But let's go back inside. Da 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 da. I will check the wardrobe. Don't wanna check the wardrobe.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Oh, there's a note on the floor.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
I love you too. I'll turn it up. Oh, there's a pretty birdie. Never played this, by the way, guys. I've seen my brother play it, but never played it myself, to be fair. Let's get in the shower. Let's look at the shower. Oh. Well, it is weird. Peachy. I don't know anybody who gets dry like this. Fuck it. Oh yeah, just chuck it on the floor. One of my pet hates leaving a wet towel on the floor. It's a no-no. Clothes awake.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake. I'm as clean as a whistle.
Clothes on.
Time to get dressed.
Oh, you actually want to look in the wardrobe now, eh? Let's look in this wardrobe. What you gonna wear today? Who knows? Fair enough. Suave. Sophisticated. Yeah. Okay then. Dee
I've got
work.
some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
So where do I do work? Do I do it in here? That's the party. We don't want to go in the party.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Should be some orange juice in the fridge. Let's go to the fridge. Open! Orange juice! Drink! Oh, he's good at this action. Go on, son. Ah! Crude. Sorry, guys. Didn't like that. Happy birthday, Jason. Now what do you want to do?
I could
Coffee?
go for a cup of coffee.
Let's have a coffee. Just had orange juice, but let's have coffee. Naturally come together. I hope you burn your mouth. I hope you burn your mouth. Wash it up then. Yeah, well. Birthday, TV.
It's
Grace.
almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
That's creepy as fuck.
Dad!
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Yeah, sure. Here's the keys.
Ethan, can you please help me?
Nah.
I'm coming.
Cute. I'd let the bitch struggle.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I only get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the clients next month.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
There should be plates in the living room.
No problem. Leave it to
cupboards.
me.
Careful. Careful. And careful. Ah.
I think
Anything
I'll go
else?
outside and play with the kids.
Okay, we'll go play with the kiddies. Hello, children. Come say hello. How are you all?
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Cool house.
No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Me.
Go with him. Ah, you're gutted, mate. Ah,
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Meow. Meow. I hope you fall over. Die. Meow. 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 Put you down. Too heavy.
It's my turn now.
All right, Jason, let's do the helicopter. Can we just let go? Like, just keep swinging. Just keep fucking swinging. No, don't stop. Just keep swinging it. Spoiled sports.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are.
Big muscles.
But be careful. Hang on.
Oh man, he's super strong. Oh man, it's Superman.
Oh. Whew.
This time you're done for. You're
Can we
gonna
beat
pay
him?
for all your crimes, evil one.
Ah, surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason.
Hi-ya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out.
Oh!
Attack, attack.
Oh no.
Whoa!
Can you just like fucking?
Pay for that.
Oh.
Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Yeah, Jason! Ha!
Continue.
Ah!
Watch out.
Yeah! Ha! Ha!
Go, Jason. Yeah.
Hi-ya!
Oh,
My life is come to an end.
Oh dear.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
That was super dramatic. Don't know why, but I kind of enjoyed it.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Oh, what the fuck have you done?
Sean?
You little
What's up?
shit.
It's Merlin. He's dead.
You little bastard.
He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
Yeah, it is. 100% his
I'd
fault.
give anything if he could come back to life.
Well, he's dead.
No, Sean.
Alright.
There's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
Life's not fair, kid.
I know. I know.
It's awful. It's a really peaceful game, isn't it? It's like homely, family. It's nice. Getting to know the characters, the family people. It's enjoyable, you know.
Oh, I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Wearing a skate t-shirt, good lad.
Jason! Jason!
Get out of my way, love. My kid's walking off. Fucking move.
Jason! Jason!
Jason. Jason.
Jason!
Run. Chase him.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Where you going, son?
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I'd
No.
really love to have one. Please,
No.
Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Why?
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Just fucking check your pockets. Your kid's walking off.
Keep the change.
How do you let your kid wander off like that?
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back. Jason!
Have a bit more oomph.
Jason!
Where do we go?
Jason!
Comic books, who've been here?
Jason! Jason!
Nope. You won't be in Paris Milton. Madness. No. He wants
Jason!
games. Let's have a look. Ah, the little bastard.
Quick, I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
Move!
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Hey, watch it.
Jason! 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 Jason, God, you really had me scared nuts.
Danger!
Jason! Jason!
No, just push people over, you know. Push them in front of people and...
Jason! Shit.
He's over the road, we saw him.
Shit! Jason!
Dad!
Jason! No!
What the fuck?
Jason! Jason! Oh my god, no! No! No, Jason, oh my god, no!
What? Fuck. Oh, shit.
No!
Well, that's quite depressing. Symbolic. That first like prologue bit was a bit touching. I mean, you grew up as a family and you bonded, played with them, ate with them, had sadness for the bird dying, and then he wanders out into traffic and it's all she wrote. I mean, it just shows how quickly something can be gone. Just like that. Never to be seen again. Quite moving, really. It's a video game. It's moving. Deep, man. Deep. What an intro. Oh shit, who are you? Who are you? Oh, she looks cute. Really bad schlong. Quite a good intro, this. I mean, can't go wrong. That was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh man, this is sad. Kid without a
Hi,
brother.
Sean.
My dad.
Yeah. Do speak quite close, these guys. God. We'll check the mirror. Does this do the seatbelt? We'll do the seatbelt. Safety first, kids. And then suppose we'll get cracking. Let's go. Man, what's happened, man? What's happened to the family? They had a beautiful home, and I know the son died, but it doesn't mean you lose your home. Did they split up? Oh, that's cool.
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's see what we can find in the kitchen. Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
Thanks, Dad.
As if he wanted some fruit.
It's still early. We'll see about the homework later.
Okay, so, snack, homework, dinner, bed.
So, do you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends,
This is depressing.
how things are going.
Nothing special.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
No thanks, I'm not hungry yet.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Oh, that's nice of him. Kid's gonna hate him though. Come on then. Let's go do some homework. Let's go do some homework. Get sat down, young lad. I'm gonna turn the telly off, pal, because it's doing my absolute head in. And it's a distraction. Parent of the Year award goes to moi. Can I join you yet? I'll sit and join you and help you with your homework. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Don't be leaving the kid on his own, man.
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
Oh, good lad. Clever boy.
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you. I think there's some medicine in the bathroom cabinet.
Why does he shut every door behind him? You don't need to shut every door behind you. Come on, scoot in. It's baby, you're driving me crazy. Did we get some medicine? Mate, he's loving life.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks,
LSD.
Dad.
It's dinner time. I'd better make something for Sean. Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find.
Father of
I'll
the
call you when it's
year.
ready.
Give him some roasted chicken in a box. Maybe not. Dee 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 dee. I'm making you dinner. Maybe it's ready. That was fucking quick. Really? This best of veggies. Do you have... Oh, it does. It has shitty carrots.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
He's a right happy chap watching telly. Just leave him alone. Good, bye. Just stare at him eating his food. That can be the thumbnail for now. Yeah, that's the thumbnail. That was cool. He can juggle. Good lad. Hey, where's he fucking gone? Hey, you wanna go to bed?
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go
Yeah.
brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
Goodbye. I want to get rid of that apple core though. Get that more, you little shit. Who leaves an apple core on a sofa? Quite annoying that. Go on then, kid. Where is it? Oh, he's there. What the fuck? You got to change as well. Good boy. You'll get into bed, son. I'll just stand here and watch you.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy. I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I
It's
can't
on
sleep
top of the
without
washing
him.
machine.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad,
Yeah?
why do you look so sad?
She is.
I think I just need some time. To get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
That's sweet of him. Oh, he's tucking him in. Oh. Should always shut the door. Oh, hello. It's that LSD from earlier, lads. It's time to get crazy! Wait, is he blacked out? Who are you? Pretty eyes though. I'm obviously another character. It's that guy that they've just shown you with the pretty eyes. You ain't got pretty eyes though. Well, I think now is the best time to say it's going to be the end of this first episode of Heavy Rain. If you liked it and you want to see more, please drop a like, maybe even a subscribe. We're well on our way to 200 subscribers. Please give me your support. Thank you. I'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye.